In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix not compatible with this device on the App Store. This guide will walk you through a few simple checks and settings that resolve the error in most cases, and I'll explain why each step matters so you feel confident as you go. Start by making sure your iPhone is on a strong, stable internet connection. From your home screen, confirm you're connected to reliable Wi-Fi or have a solid cellular signal. A weak connection can cause the App Store to misread compatibility or fail to verify device details. If possible, prefer Wi-Fi for faster downloads and a steadier connection. Next, update your iOS version, which is the main fix for this error. Open Settings, tap General, then select Software Update. If an update is available, download and install the latest version. Many apps require newer system features, and when iOS is out of date, the App Store flags the app as incompatible even if your device can support it after updating. Make sure your battery is charged or your phone is plugged in, and allow the update to complete. When your iPhone restarts, return to the App Store and try installing the app or game again. If the issue persists, sign out of your Apple ID in the App Store and sign back in with a different Apple ID. Open the App Store, tap your profile icon at the top, scroll down, and sign out. Then sign in using another Apple ID. This helps if the error is tied to account-specific data, region settings, or previous purchase history. Don't worry, signing out of the App Store here won't remove your apps or photos. Now, clear App Store user data to refresh personalized flags that may be influencing compatibility. Open Settings, scroll down and tap App Store, then choose Personalized Recommendations. Select Clear App User Data. This doesn't delete your installed apps, it resets App Store usage data and recommendations linked to your device, which can clear out incorrect compatibility signals. With those changes in place, open the App Store again and try downloading the app. Give it a moment to refresh after you sign in or clear data. If your iOS is up to date and your connection is solid, the compatibility message should be gone and the app should begin downloading normally. That's it. Following these steps addresses the most common reasons for the not compatible with this device message and gets you back to installing apps without frustration. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more App Store tips and tutorials.